Good morning. We are already on cup of coffee number 2. I wanted to kind of share with you my morning routine. I wish I could be that person that didn't touch my technology in the morning, but I'm just kind of conditioned from my 9 to 5 to like immediately get on my phone and start working. And that's super unhealthy, but it just kind of translates into the weekends. So I wake up and I kind of like want to work, and I wake up with like ideas in my head of what I want to do, and then I can't sleep in. So it's not a very good cycle, but I'm at least productive in the morning, I guess. So I kind of wake up slowly and wake the animals up. George is usually following me into the living room, or he's in here already, and then I follow him. And then the cats just kind of are always out here. Theo's actually been sleeping in the Costco bean bag, which is so stinking cute. He's so tiny, and that bed is so big, he thinks it's his bed. He also likes George's brown bean bag. And I still have to take George for a walk. It's just started snowing like a lot, so he's not gonna like that. He is not a fan of the snow or the cold or anything like that, so I have to put his little paws on him, and it's a whole event. So I'll do that in a minute, but I wanna make a little list here. I saw Trader Joe's list posted a recipe from spinach and bacon, healthier homemade hamburger helper. And I don't know about you guys, but I haven't had hamburger helper since I was like 5, and I've probably only had it like once or twice. I like want to salivate thinking about it. So She posted this recipe and I'm gonna get some of the ingredients. So I always kind of like write down what I have, otherwise I'll end up buying double or triple of what I have. So I have my onion, I've got olive oil, I need a pound. It calls for a pound of ground beef, but I'm gonna do a pound of chicken or turkey, one of the two. Beef broth, so I'm gonna have to do chicken broth, 2 cups of milk, 3/4 cup sour cream, or your Greek yogurt. I've been really enjoying Greek yogurt parfaits, so I might do Greek yogurt instead, and then I can use the rest for parfaits. The best granola is from Whole Foods. They make it in-house. It's their flaxseed chunky granola. It is addicting. It's the best tasting granola ever. It's perfectly soft. It's not like too soft where you feel like you're eating a cookie. It's got a little bit of crunch to it. It is the perfect consistency. If you shop at Whole Foods, check it out, it's so good. I do need some ketchup, 16-ounce pasta, cheddar cheese, chives or green onion. Okay, not bad. I don't need too much to make this. Cool, I'm excited for that. So I'm gonna have my second cup of coffee and just kind of relax. George doesn't seem to want to get up, and then I'll take you guys on a little walk with us and walk you through that whole process, and then we'll go grocery shopping and make our hamburger helper together. Into my local CVS because I had ordered this mouthwash. It has 0 alcohol in it. My teeth have been really sensitive. I feel like I've been extra sensitive since my root canal, so I want to try this. I normally use their alcohol kind, but I have receding gums because I grind my teeth at night from stress. So yeah, yay for getting older. So I'm gonna try this and see how it is. I cannot stand non-minty mouthwash, like hate it. So I'm hoping that this is minty enough. It does say fresh mint, so we'll see how that is. And then I picked up this Neutrogena Hydro Boost body gel cream. It was buy one get one 40% off, so I actually got 2 because it's a water-based moisturizer, and I'm gonna be tanning for my friend's wedding in Florida. So I'm trying to prep my skin because my winter skin is awful. So I'm gonna start using this, and then I'll use this after as well, because key to tanning is moisturizing. I'm gonna do a Technique Tuesday on video on that at some point, and then I saw that they had a couple of COVID tests, and I figure might as well get them while I can, because when it picks up in Chicago, people go crazy and you can't get them anywhere. So I got a couple to have on hand for when I come back from Florida, just to make sure before I see my parents that I'm all good to go. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's now. things first. I'm gonna do a quick Trader Joe's haul because I found a couple of really good things. We've got Theo joining us today, and you're gonna hear George tip-tapping back and forth with that ball that he just got. He is obsessed with those balls, and he's gonna run from like the back of the house to the front of the house with it. But I get uncomfortable filming in stores. I'm just not comfortable with it, so I didn't film a lot of the stuff I picked out at Trader Joe's, and I met the cutest dogs. It was a shorty bull is what they're called. There were 2 of them, and this guy had them, and he said they were a mix of French bulldogs and English bulldogs, and now I'm obsessed and I want one. But anyway, here's what I got from Trader Joe's. Sour cream for the recipe, Greek yogurt for my parfaits. This garlic dip spread is the best ever. I dip cucumbers in it, all kinds of veggies. I'll put it on like chicken if my chicken's dry. Highly recommend trying that. I got this vegan kale, cashew, basil, and pesto for sandwiches. I got mozzarella cheese. I have basil, and then I got this balsamic glaze, and I thought that would be a nice little like sandwich thing. This was at the front and it just looked really good, so I got this like protein salty peanut bar. I always get these, the dark chocolate peanut butter cups. So good. Like one after dinner is perfect. I like their tamales, their fresh tamales. These ones are chili and cheese, so I usually get chicken, but I wanted to try that out. Candied pecans, staple as well. I put those in my parfaits. I got another onion, didn't really need it, but I know I'll use it. I got my green beans. I got my macaroni. I got this buttermilk protein pancake mix for breakfast, along with chicken maple sausage, just to kind of change it up a little bit. I've been having smoothies a lot, and I just want a little bit of variety. Green onions for my hamburger helper recipe. Organic chicken just to have on hand. Brown turkey. They didn't have an organic extra lean version, and I really like the extra lean version. I don't like the like 93%. It's too greasy for me. I got milk for the recipe. I got this enchilada sauce. I haven't tried that, but I thought it would be good with the tamales because sometimes the tamales are a little bit dry. I got these vegan cookies and cream vanilla bonbons. I haven't tried these, but they look great. I've had their regular bonbons, and they're really good. Organic jasmine rice just to have on hand, and my vet told me since George is on a raw diet, he needs to have some kind of grain in his life or in his diet every day. So when I don't want to actually make rice, I'll have that. Fettuccine Alfredo, my favorite pasta. This one has chicken in it, really good. Takes like 7 minutes to make on the stove. Cheddar cheese for my recipe. A tomato for those sandwiches, those caprese sandwiches. Ketchup, I needed some ketchup. Chicken broth for the recipe. I got their jardinera. I've never tried it, but I'm gonna get it. And then I got my cumin and my paprika. I like to get spices at Trader Joe's when I can because they're more affordable. So quick little haul, and then you saw what I got from the pet store. I got those 2 balls for George. One is hidden, he gets one at a time, and then when I need to distract him, I'll get another one. And then I just got these bags because, I don't know, they work well. I like the earth rated ones the best, but these are on sale. And that's it. So I made a little sandwich here. I completely forgot I have dinner plans tonight. So I am gonna put the recipe for the hamburger helper in my next video. So make sure you stick around for that since I won't be making that tonight. But instead I made a little sandwich with some of the stuff I got from Trader Joe's. It's like a caprese style sandwich. So I have that vegan basil pesto on the bottom, and the top of the bread, a little layer of mozzarella cheese, a layer of turkey, some beefsteak tomato, some more basil, and then I have balsamic glaze in there as well. I am super excited to eat this. Mozzarella cheese sounds so good to me right now. I'm gonna have a blackberry bubbly, and I wanted to share these with you. This is a pepper mill, and then I got the salt mill as well. I'll link them down below. They're super nice. I love them. It's fun because you can like crank it obviously to get the salt and pepper out, but they are expensive, but definitely worth it. And I can't wait till they get like some patina color on them. So I think that's gonna do it for today's video. I know it's only 12:30 and I'm in a robe, but I love to be cozy and just lay around on days off in my sweatpants and a robe. In my old apartment, I had radiated heat, so I could never really just lay around in a warm robe like this one. This is from Pottery Barn. I'll link it down below. It's one of my all-time favorites. It's really warm and cozy, but I could never do that in my old apartment because it was so hot with the radiated heat because I couldn't control it. At least here, I can control the heat. So I've been enjoying that a lot. But yeah, that'll do it. If you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. I post educational makeup videos on Tuesdays and then fun little vlog style videos on Thursdays. At least that's the schedule I'm trying to stick to this year. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.